Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. And today our project name is Student Portal Management System. Now I show you our project. Here you can see that our project database, which the first table name is admin, which contain username and password. I show you I fix the username and password is 1 2 3. And you can see the another table is profile, which contain the serial number, first name, last name, username, email, photo, pass, profile photo and cover photo. And you can see the another table is user info, which contain ID, name, role, class, city, parents contact name and photo. And the last table is user, and this table contain ID, name, email, username, pass, photo and status. And here is our project database. And now you can see that the PHP2 is our project directory folder, and this directory folder you have that there is so many files that index.php, logout.php, profile.php, signin.php, sign up and install.css. And this the admin folder has another different kinds of files than add student.php, database connection.php, index.php, login.php and registration.php. and this CSS folder is for using Bootstrap and from.js, and this 3 folder is used for using Bootstrap. And there you can see the photo folder which contain no photo. When our user upload a photo, then this photo is upload from here. And we want to open our folder in Sublime Text Tree, and we can see that we open our project in Sublime Text Tree, and you can see that there is an index page. You can see that there is an index page. There is an index page. This index page is contain nothing, is the one kind of design this page. When we browse our website in the local server, then we see the index page. And here you can see this our index page. Here this page has 2 options: login as an admin and login or sign in as a student. And here you can see that there is a student information. When we select our class and we put our roll number on this section, when we click show information, this show the student. At that time our database is empty, that's why it don't show any student. And there's the simple design of the index page. And here you can see the logout page. Is this page is nothing. This page is only session start and session destroy. And when is logout, the header location is index.php. When the user take logout, and she redirect from the index.php page. And here you can see the profile page. And at first you see the sign in and sign up page. And sign up page is nothing, is the mainly kinds of input. Then the take input, first name, last name, username, email, phone, password, upload from cover photo. And here is you can see our every PHP code. And we take this input in the post method. And though the user upload a cover photo, that's why we take the n type, which is multiplied from data, and we take each set function and we receive the every data from this way. And that we make a connection with the database. Here you can see our database connection, which is localhost, root, password and our database name. And this way here is the data we insert the data in our database in this query. With insight into profile, we can see the profile table in a okay, you can see the profile table, which is first name, last name, email, phone number, user numbers, and this value, and move to uploaded file photo in this photo folder. And here is our sign up, here is the sign in page, and here is the sign in page is also one kind of design, and some PHP code here. Here you can see the admin folder, and this also index page. Index page is a one kind of design, is nothing but, and database connection, and add student is add student page. There is nothing. It's also a different kinds of input, then receive a user information, and input is our database. Now I show you the live project. At first we want to log in or sign in as a student. We have no account, that's why we need to create an account. Suppose our first name is Thousand, last name is Thousand Kobir, username is Thousand, email is 1012@gmail.com, phone, password, suppose password 123456, and upload a profile photo. Then we upload a profile photo. Suppose this is our profile photo, and upload a cover photo. Upload a cover photo. Here you can see that there is no value in this row. There is no value. There is all empty. When we click the register now button, our project said data is okay, and we refresh our database. Then we can see that there is a one row on this data, 1000 Kobir, 1000 and 1012@gmail.com. So our account is ready. Now we can ready to log in. Our email is 1012@gmail.com, and password is 12345. Then we can log in. Oh, sorry. Our 1000 and password is 1234556. Oh, sorry. Our password is 1234556. And this time we can see that it is our student profile, which is used from our database, which everything is shown from database. And this way many student can open our profile, and is of the cover photo, and is of the profile photo, and there is the name as the 1000 and 1012@gmail.com, and phone, and these are the student profile. And the student, if he want, he can make a logout. If he can log out, he can come from the index.php page. If he log in again, and the student have to log in again. You know, our email address is 1012@gmail.com. If I use the wrong password, then the project said wrong username and password. So here is the student profile system, and here you can see that the another option is login as admin. You can see that I push a admin username is Shubet, and password is 123. So we use the username is Shubet, and suppose we use the wrong password, then then the project set wrong username and password, and we put the right username or password, which is 123, and that time we can see the user, we can see the admin dashboard. Here you can see the show the student information, and here is also a two option, add new student and all student. So if we want to add new student, here is the input field to add new student, and here is you can see the student information table. Here is the already 2 student, and if we want to add another student like name Shumon, roll number is 09, class suppose 10, city suppose city Chittagong, parents contact number 03678, and to upload a cover photo, another photo. Suppose we uploaded this photo again, and here you can see that there is two data. When we click this add now button, and that time you can see that the another row which is Shumon, rule 9, class 10, city Chittagong, parents contact number like that, and photo like something like that. And to upload a mini photo, and we can see that every photo is receive this our folder. Here is our cover photo, and we upload this photo 2 times. That's why this photo upload 2 times in our directory folder. And now it's our everything with our project as we made. And thank you, ma'am.